So, today I'm sitting here live with my daughter, Confidence. Confidence? Where's Confidence? Oh, there she is. Hi, Confidence. Oh, she must have spilled her ice cream. Did you spill that ice cream?
No.
Okay. Well, we'll fix it if you did. But, so, what are we going to talk about today? Remember, last week we talked about something and we said we were going to talk about something. So, what are we going to talk about?
Today we're going to talk about wind.
The wind. How does that go again? What was that? Okay, so the wind. What about the wind do you like, Confidence?
That you could fly like a bird and poop on the roofs.
Damn, I think we're both getting sick. You think that's from the wind?
No, it's not from the wind. We just got sick.
Grandma's kind of crazy driver.
And we're going, and I am wearing a hat.
That's a hat. All right. Woo. Dun, dun, dun. Do you feel like one of those Westerner sheriffs? So what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do with this video?
Put it on YouTube, and you better listen to it, or poop your pants.
Or you pooped your pants. Okay. So watch us on YouTube.
And
And if you don't,
you
then
will poop your pants.
then you will poop your pants, or you farted,
Or you wind.
or you wind.
Or you go,
All right, say bye.
bye-bye.
Bye.